Here's Liam, it's the EM-23, 2,500 watt motor, peaks at over 4,000. These things are awesome. The torque on them is amazing, absolutely amazing. Has lights front and rear, comfy. It can carry about 120, I think it's 140 kilos, over 20 stone, and it still will reach peak power. They're good for 80 kilometers per charge. 3 speeds. Really good fun. If you want one, come down to Ariabikes, Trafford Park, or go to the website ariabikes.com. Like I say, there's an extra 5% if you use Holiday 5 at the moment. You can give us a call, don't forget, give us a follow. See you soon.